Hello? Anybody in there?
Oh, we can't steer it anyway.
Oh, I didn't turn the tires out like that. It's gonna make
Yeah, it's gonna be tight, isn't it? I think you're gonna hang off quite a bit, Paul. Why would they do them like that? All right. I think I'm gonna have you move out of the way. I'm just gonna pick it up. I'm gonna put it on your bed for you. So, in case you don't know, these are called caging bolts. What they do is there's a little. Hello, it's your boy, Kevin. It's your boy Kevin. We're bringing you a brand new episode of Mixer Stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go haul mixers today. Fueled up, ready to go. We're going to Heber City, Utah. Grab some mixes today. So come along for the ride and enjoy the video. Alrighty. We made it. So that one there's mine. This one here is Paul's. He's gonna try and winch it on. So that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna winch it on.
Oh, I didn't turn the tires out like that. It's gonna make it fucking bitch.
Yeah, it's gonna be tight, isn't it? I don't know if it's gonna fit with the tires turned out like that.
I'm wondering that too, but I guess
The things that make you go, The things that make you go, I think you're gonna hang off quite a bit, Paul. Why would they do them like that?
maybe for stability, they thought they were helping us out, maybe. I don't feel like we're building any air.
We ain't got time for this today. We ain't got time for this today, Paul. We ain't got time for this today.
Hello? Anybody in there?
Right or not right?
Oh, we can't steer it anyway.
We're done, bro.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's still hooked. What does that go to?
This one works. Check and see if the other side works. Yeah, the other side won't move. This side moves, the other side doesn't.
Oh, that's sick, dude. So since it won't steer, now I need to pick it up from the front and put it on.
Yeah, but we can't. We're gonna have to cage the brakes if we do that.
They pulled all the bolts out of the drive shaft, but left the drive shaft in. All right, guess we're caging brakes. These even release. There they go. They're starting to make noise now. You win some, you lose some, babe. This one we're losing on. Osama bin Laden is growing under here. Excuse me. Thank you. I want to be ninja. So, in case you don't know, these are called caging bolts. What they do is there's a little slot, a little T-slot inside of there. You have to put this in like that. And so right now I can just fall out. You have to turn it clockwise and then pull on it and it won't come out. It just brings the S-cam forward. S-cam, right? It brings the S-cam forward and frees the brakes up. I don't know all the components, but I do know what some of them do. Like I know this makes it so I have brakes. I mean, I don't have brakes, which is fine. We don't need brakes where we're going. Ouch, pig. Be my friend. There we go. You heard a poop. As the brakes slowly releasing. And that's the way, we like it. Dippy dip. Hello? Wunderbar. Thank you for coming. Now I have to try and crawl out of here. Excuse me. Pardon me. Come through. Thank you. All right. Paul's working on that last one there. And then we'll be free balling. Groovy. All right. I think I'm gonna have you move out of the way. I'm just gonna pick it up. I'm gonna put it on your bed for you. That way we can pull those tires off and flip them around. So this is the one I'm getting. And yeah, it's gonna need some air in the tires. Both of these are flat. All right, let's pick this pig up. Also, you play with the right levers. A little frustrated with these mixers today. They're all pretty. Frustrates me quite a bit. And they are these. Girlfriend. Need you to be my girlfriend. Hee hee. Hee hee. I don't think you got a long enough chain, Paul.
That's all I've got. I don't want to steal yours because I know you need what you got. flat, you probably want to go right and shove the front end over so you miss the barrel.
Floor it so I hit the barrel. Oh. Wunderbar. Now to throw it in reverse, Terry. We going on the trailer now. First try. You don't have to be lonely. Alright, we going back over to the other one, man, now, okay? Ooh, I got a stick in my hole. Alright. Now let's get this one loaded up. Alright. Now we can chain that rear axle.
I'm tired of digging, Grandpa.
Well, that's too damn bad. You'll keep digging.
Oh, no.
Alrighty. Axle is now chained it up. Alright. Now we need to pick up that rear tag, chain it. Groovy. So now we are strapping the axle so it stays in my fork holders, baby girl. And Bob's your creepy uncle. Ooh, I am very sweaty kitty right now. All right.
Well, they had both ends of it undone, so when I popped one end, both fell out.
That works for
I
me.
guess it's staying.
Or you can throw it on the back of your trailer.
We gotta pull out because it ain't like it's light.
Oh, come on now, Paul. You're strong. And then you put that thing in there, that thing in there. Bob's your uncle. And then we just hook that there. So she can't go no ways. We're set. That'll work. That'll do, pig. That'll do. All loaded up and ready to rip tater chip, baby G. Alrighty, friends, we made it. We made it. Ladies and germs.
Give it to me.
All right, let's go grab yours. Hello. Well, that was the mixers. And I hope you enjoyed. Because we both know I enjoyed doing it. Okay? We're all done here. I just got to finish putting up my boom, but I figured I'd sit here and talk to y'all. Okay? I appreciate you guys coming along and hanging out with me today and watching the video. If you liked what we did today, if you leave a like. If you didn't like it, if you thought it was annoying, dislike it. Because quite frankly, we had some issues today. But yeah, like it, comment, throw a subscribe in there. It's all free. Everything here's free. Thanks for watching. Okay? That's it. Just thanks for watching. And peace!